Jaron and the team have been phenomenal. They have helped me out to do things that I thought, weren't really possible. My credit score, like I had mentioned, it's jumped over 100 points. I'm back with my local credit union by having, they helped me out with a collection I had from them from when I was younger with a credit card that, I didn't really know how to use. And with all of that, I've had the opportunity. I'm actually in one of my new cars right now. I was able to save up money, not have to take out a loan or anything like that, not have to worry about these collections. I was able to buy my new car. It's a 2016 BMW M4. It is almost out of gas, but it is a very, very nice car. One of my dream cars, actually. And honestly, I think without MSI, this car would have been way down the road versus me having it now. I'm still comfortable with my financial state, and me and my girlfriend actually hopefully looking to buy a house sometime next year. Granted, I keep doing everything good and the MSI team keeps helping me out, but yeah, without MSI, I don't think this would be possible. Communication with, from me to Jaron, the team to me, nothing but perfect. Fast responses, always on time, like helping me out. Just a totally awesome experience. I got nothing but good things to say about that. I would recommend MSI to anybody who either doesn't have a good understanding of finances, how finances work, how credit works, anything like that. If you have any questions, or if you need help with your finances or your credit, or you want to build your credit, you want to get some collections possibly removed, or get the right tips on how to remove them, I would recommend you to MSI. Jaron and the team, phenomenal. If you're hesitant about MSI Credit Solutions, I was kind of hesitant at first too. I'm like, I've heard about credit repair companies, and that it's kind of hit or miss. But I decided to take the leap of faith. Jaron was super upfront and 100% transparent with me throughout the entire process of signing up, and still to this day, over half a year, almost a year later. If you're hesitant about it, I'd say get on a phone call with somebody at the MSI team. Jaron, he's my favorite. He's been hooking me up. I would recommend getting on a phone call with them, kind of asking whatever questions you might have, and let them reassure you that this might be the right step to take if you're trying to gain some financial freedom, gain some knowledge about credit, and just live a happier life. Before, when I had these collections, I couldn't get approved for any loans, even cell phones. Some insurance places even look at your credit score when getting insurance on a vehicle, and if your credit's bad, they won't insure you. And I didn't know that until recently too. And MSI, Jaron, the team, once again, I will say it a million times, just so professional, straight to the point. They will answer any questions you have. And even just talk to them about how your day's been. They're super cool people over there. So thank you, MSI Credit Solutions, for helping me out. And if you are looking to fix your credit or gain some knowledge on finances and credit, I would highly recommend MSI Credit Solutions. Thank you, guys. How's it going, everybody? My name is Brandon. I'm 23 years old. I'm a car sales manager here in Kenosha, Wisconsin. And I want to tell you guys a little bit about MSI Credit Solutions and why I signed up for them, and how my life has kind of changed around since I've been with them. Starting off, I first joined MSI because I had, I was young, I was dumb, and I played around with my credit, not knowing how credit really worked. With that being said, my credit score was bad. I had collections. I didn't know what to do with them. And I was actually on TikTok, and I saw a post by Jaron with MSI, and I started, I dove into his page a little bit, and I'm like, wow, let me check these guys out. So checked them out and gotten a few calls with Jaron, consulted with him a little bit, ended up signing up for it. This was back in October, I do believe, October or November of 2022. Today it's August. It's August 4th today, 2023. So almost a year with MSI, and I've seen my credit score jump little over 100 points. I have $5,000 worth of collections removed completely from my credit report, and I had nothing but good things to say about them. I have to say, one of the best things that has happened since being with MSI is I have a much better understanding of how credit works, how finances work. My finances are doing much better. Jaron is nothing but the best. He's helped me out extraordinarily.